Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Chi, the place where we explore how technology is shaping the future and, more importantly, how you can use it today. So here's the big question. Are AI tools really practical for everyday use? Or are they just hyped up demos made for tech conferences and social media? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 5 AI tools that are not only real, but insanely useful right now. That I'm talking about tools that can write your emails, organize your life, make professional visuals, narrate your videos, and even do your research. These aren't futuristic predictions. They're tools you can literally open in another tab right now and start using for free or with affordable plans. And make sure you stay till the end, because I'm not just listing tools. I'll show you how each one fits into your workflow, and I'll give my honest take on which is worth your time and money. Let's dive right in. Let's start with the king of AI tools right now, ChatGPT. What is it? It's a conversational AI model developed by OpenAI, and it's built to help you do almost anything with language, from writing and coding to learning and planning. What can it actually do? Draft essays, emails, blog posts, YouTube scripts, debug and write code in multiple languages, translate content across dozens of languages, explain complex topics in simple terms, role-play scenarios. From job interviews to customer service chats, what makes it unique? It remembers the context of your conversation, so you can have real dialogue. You can ask follow-up questions, correct it, or tell it to rewrite something in a different tone. Versions available: free, GPT 3.5, still very capable; paid plus plan GPT 4.5, which includes vision, web browsing, data analysis, and image generation through DALL-E. Real use cases. Need a content calendar for your YouTube channel? Ask it. Want help optimizing your LinkedIn bio? Done. Have a complex topic like quantum computing? It'll break it down for a 10-year-old. Pro tip: you can combine ChatGPT with other AI tools like Zapier or Google Sheets for automated workflows that save hours. Notion AI, the productivity nerd's best friend. What is Notion? Notion started as a workspace tool, like notes, tasks, and wikis all in one place. But with AI added, it becomes your personal productivity assistant. What can Notion AI do? Summarize long documents in one click, generate to-do lists, outlines, blog drafts, translate, rephrase, and even correct grammar, turn messy thoughts into clear, actionable plans. Why it stands out: it doesn't just write text, it writes structured, formatted, useful content. You don't just get a paragraph, you get a meeting agenda, a social media calendar, or even a product launch roadmap. Example use case: imagine you're planning a new app. Write one line: planning a mobile app to help people meditate. Notion AI will generate target audience, feature list, timeline, marketing plan, all ready to organize in your Notion workspace. Perfect for solo entrepreneurs, team project management, content creators, students organizing research. Pro tip: use it to summarize transcripts from your meetings or YouTube videos, saving you a ton of time. If you're a visual creator, Adobe Firefly is a dream. What is Firefly? It's Adobe's AI image generation engine integrated directly with Creative Cloud apps like Photoshop and Illustrator. What you can do: generate stunning images from text to image, add or remove objects from photos with precision, apply new artistic styles with one prompt, convert sketches to polished digital art. Example use case: you're designing a futuristic thumbnail. Just type a glowing neon robot standing in a misty cyberpunk alley. Firefly gives you multiple versions in different styles. Why Firefly wins? Unlike Midjourney or DALL-E, Firefly is commercially safe. You can use the results in your business, videos, and branding with fewer copyright worries. Deep integration: you can take a Firefly-generated image and instantly drop it into Photoshop for further editing, making the workflow super smooth. Best for designers, YouTubers, marketing teams, social media creators. Bonus tip: even if you're not a pro designer, Firefly makes you feel like one. It's that intuitive. Now let's talk about voice. And no, I don't mean Siri or Alexa, I'm talking about ElevenLabs, the most realistic AI voice generator available today. What it does: turns your script into ultra-realistic speech, supports multiple languages, including Persian, offers emotion, pacing, intonation, and voice cloning. Why it's impressive: you're not getting robotic TTS voices. These sound like actual people with breathing, pauses, and emotional tone. Real-world applications: narrating YouTube videos without recording your voice, creating characters in games or stories, making audiobooks or training videos, auto-generating podcasts from articles. Example: write your script, pick a voice like professional narrator or warm female, and export your audio. You can even generate multiple voices for conversations. Pricing: they offer a free tier, and their paid plans are very affordable for the quality you're getting. Ideal for YouTubers, podcasters, game developers, educators. Finally, we have Perplexity AI, your new favorite search engine. What it is: think of it as Google 2.0. Instead of links, you get actual answers, summarized clearly with sources you can check instantly. What it can do: answer complex questions directly, cite scholarly articles, news, research, support follow-up questions like a chatbot, may help with essays, reports, and study guides. Example: ask it, what's the difference between GPT-4 and Claude 3? It will give you a direct answer with links to benchmarks, reviews, and research. Why it's useful: unlike Google, it's not built around ads or SEO-optimized fluff. You get clean, informative results. Best for researchers, writers, curious learners, anyone tired of clicking through 10 links to find one answer. Bonus tip: you can also install it as a browser extension to replace your default search engine. Let's wrap it all up with a side-by-side look. Tool ideal for what makes it stand out: ChatGPT content, coding, ideas, all-in-one AI assistant. Notion AI productivity, structure, turn thoughts into plans. Adobe Firefly visual content AI for design professionals. ElevenLabs voiceovers, narration, realistic speech synthesis. Perplexity AI research, knowledge, direct answers plus sources. If I had to choose only one, ChatGPT is the most flexible, but for visual creators, Firefly plus ElevenLabs, for thinkers and planners, Notion AI, and if you're a researcher, Perplexity is a game changer. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you learned something new today, go ahead and smash that like button and tell me in the comments which AI tool are you most excited to try. Also, don't forget to subscribe to TechG. Until then, stay curious, stay creative, and stay ahead of the curve with TechG.